So if you want to know how to create a new YouTube channel, probably you've had like an old YouTube channel that has been there just for years and you are not doing anything with it, and you want to start out fresh as a new YouTuber and you need a new channel, here is a tutorial for you. So first of all, you want to go to, of course, the YouTube on the desktop, on your desktop, or if you're using your phone, you can just switch your Google Chrome to the desktop version and it will appear like this. So I'm signed out now and you can see sign in here. So if you are if you already had a channel and you want to create a new one, probably a new one for as a new YouTuber or as a creator that wants to start out afresh in the YouTube space, there are two ways. So now you want to sign in. The first way is to use another email. So if you already have an email and you want to use another email that will be separate from probably the normal email that you use in exploring YouTube, probably you want to use another email, then you can just go ahead and use another account. Then you can use another account. You input your email. Of course, it has to be a Gmail. Once you input your email, you click next and it takes you to you just follow the steps, which is not up to less than 2 minutes, and you should have created a new YouTube account and you would be able to create a new channel under it. So this is the first way. And if you do not have a Gmail, of course, you can just go ahead and click create account, and this will lead you to create a Gmail account. And then once you create your Gmail account, you can now go here and input the new Gmail that you just created and click next. Okay, now the second way to create a new channel will be to create multiple channels under your normal or your actual Gmail account that you've been using before. So if you prefer to have every of your stuff in one space rather than having several Gmail accounts, this is for you. So you would want to, of course, sign in. So enter your password. So I am signed in now into the channel. Now, like I said, you have to be using the desktop version, or you have to be using your desktop, either your laptop or your tablet, or if you're using your phone, so you go to Chrome and change to your desktop, change your setting, your Chrome setting to a desktop version. So now you would want to click your profile. Once you've signed in, you see your profile will appear here. So you just click here. You'd want to go to your settings. Now when you go to your settings, you can see accounts, you can see notifications, you can see playback, performance, privacy, connected app billings, and payment advanced settings. So now this is like the outlook of the settings on your on the web version of your YouTube channel. So now you'd want to click on, you can see your YouTube channel. This is your presence on YouTube. Now you want to click add or manage channels. Add or manage channels, this is where you would see how to other channels you have and how to add new ones. So you click on that. So once that opens, you can see there's this channel here, there's this channel here. Now you can go ahead and create a new channel. So once you just fill in, you add your channel name, you click I understand, yes, I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings. So you click that and you create photography and styles. So once you click I understand, you create. So now you can see that a new channel has automatically been created. Then you can go ahead, it is that easy peasy. You can go ahead and edit your profile picture. You can customize your channel. You can upload a new video to get started, and that's easy peasy. So if you want to switch between your YouTube channels, you can just click your this icon here. So you click here, you click switch accounts. So you'd see a list of your accounts, so you can just switch it and go here. So you can see now I am on this account. So I hope you found this helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, and if you would like me to do any tutorial for you, or you would like me to create any tutorial, do well to leave it in the comment section. I will be glad to help out. I'll be glad to create a tutorial for you. And do well to subscribe for more. Remember to turn on your notification icon, so when I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.